Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our computer lesson. I hope you all are doing good at your home, and I hope you practice the interface of the Scratch at your home. So in the previous lesson, we learned about what is Scratch. So basically, Scratch is a software that helps you to create the animated stories, the games without any coding. Okay, so it is the beginner friendly. So it is very helpful for a children to make a simple or a basic games without any coding. You can create it with the help of a drag and drop option of a block. Okay, so this is how we can create a game with the help of the Scratch. So what should we do is so in the previous lesson we discussed about the interface of Scratch. So we learn about the five different parts of the Scratch. So the area we can see the sprite or a character is known as a stage, because everything we did in our project, it will show in us in that screen. We can increase we can make it full screen with if we click on this option. So this is your stage, or we can decrease it, minimize it or maximize it with the help of this option. Okay, so after that we learn about how we can change our sprite or character. So we click on it and we can choose anyone from here, and after that we learn about how we can change the backdrop. So there is a here is a backdrop, so you can choose it from here. Okay, so backdrop means the background of the stage. And after that we learn about we can change this is the name of our character, and this will show this will show the direction or a position of a character. This is your x-axis. The horizontal line is known as the x-axis, and the vertical line is known as the y-axis. It will show your character position. Okay, so we can show our character, or we can hide our character with the help of this option. And after that we can increase the size of our character. For example, I am making it 50. We can decrease it and we can increase our character size with the help of size option. Okay, and after that we can change the it is the 90 direction, means के the direction of the character is 90. ठीक है, बिल्कुल आपको straight नजर आएगा, but if you want to make it a little bit tilted, then you can change the direction here. For example, I am writing the 90 here, then you can see it will turn a little bit. ठीक है, so you can change the direction of your character from here. So basically x and y is used for position of your character, and for direction we can use the direction option. Okay, after that we learn about the how we can change the costume, how we can add the sound, and we learn about the menu and the tools. And after that the last one is the second last is we learn about the different blocks. And this area is known as the scripted area, because we write the script here, that how our character will move, and how we create the animation, how we create the game with the help of these blocks. Okay, so now today we will discuss how these block work. Okay, कि जो आपके जो blocks हैं वो कैसे work कर रहे हैं. So the sprite is obviously the cat here. And now we discuss about motion blocks. ठीक है, motion basically is used to make the movement in your characters. आपके जो character हैं, अगर if you want to make the movement in our characters, अपने characters में movement आप करना चाहते हैं, then you will use the motion option, motion block. Okay, so before starting anything, first you have to place a green flag. आपको green flag place यहाँ पर add करना पड़ेगा, then it will show you the result. तभी आपको result show करेगा, otherwise it will not show you any kind of result, any kind of movement. So first you have to place a green flag from the event block. Okay, and now we will discuss about the motion. So if we click the first one here, so what is it saying, that move 10 steps. कितने steps ये cat move करेगी? 10 steps. If you click on the go green flag, that means go, then it will show. Now you can see it move forward 10 steps. Okay, ये कितने steps move किए हैं? 10 steps. So you can increase or decrease the size steps from here. You can, for example, I am writing the 5 instead of 10. मैं क्या चाहती हूँ? I just want to that it will move 5 step ahead. कितने step आगे move करे? 5 steps. Only 5 steps. So what should I do? I write the 5 here, and now you can see now when I click on the go option, then you can see that it will move the smaller step. ठीक है, वो छोटे step लेगा, means के 5 step लेगा. ठीक है, 5 उसने छोटा step लिया है. Now if you can अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूँ, instead of 5 I will write for example 15 step, then you can see it will take a big step. ये कितने steps लेगा? बड़े steps लेगा. Okay, so now see वो क्या कर रहा है, it will take more steps, and now you can see here this will show how many, where is the position. ठीक है, x axis पर the position of the cat on x axis is -28, and on the y axis this is your y-axis. On y-axis its position is -22. On x-axis its position is -28. Is it clear to everyone? And now how you can remove the block from here? Simply you can select it and place it here. Okay, then it will remove from this scripted area. And now we can see there is another block that is turn 15 degree. ये क्या करेगा? It will move forward. ये आगे की तरफ क्या करेगा? Turn करेगा. How many degrees? 15 degrees. If we place it here, simply you just need to select it and drag it here. Okay, so if you click on it, then you will see it will move downward. Downward move करेगा कितना? It will turn downward 15 degree. ठीक है, now you can see 15 degree इसने क्या किया है? Move किया है. Okay, is it clear to everyone? And now you can see the direction is -165. You can change the direction from here 90. Okay, it will move to its previous state. Now the second one is turn 15 degree upward. Upward ये क्या करेगा? ये move करेगा anti clockwise कितने? 15 degree. Now you can see here. Okay, it will move in the anti clockwise direction 15 on 15 degrees. Is it clear to everyone how we can use it? And after that, the next one is go to the random position. If you use this block, then when you click on the green flag, then it will go to the random position. ठीक है, खुद ब खुद ये किसी भी random position पर move कर देगा. Whether it is this position, this position, this or this, it will move randomly. खुद ब खुद ये decision making करेगा where the cat sprite have to move. Okay, so you from here you can, and there is a drop down drop down option, so you can make it random position or a mouse pointer. If you click on the mouse pointer, so that means wherever you point the mouse pointer, it will go to that position. For example, I am taking the random position, then I click on the go option, so you can see it will move to the random position. किसी भी randomly position पर ये move करेगा. Is it clear to everyone? And now there is the next one, that is go to X and Y place. Whenever you click on this option, for example, if you are starting you end your game, and after that आप जब भी कोई game खेलते हैं, if you end your game and if you again continue your start your game, so you can see in the game आपकी जो game होती है, जब भी वो start होती है, your character will go to the initial place. वो अपनी initial place पर चले जाते हैं. So अब मैं अगर इसके ऊपर click करूँ, then it will move, it will not go to their initial place. So you have to set the initial place with the help of this one. For example, you want to set the initial place in the center of this. So the center is -12 and -23. X-axis is -12 and y-axis is -23. You want to set it initial place. ठीक है, आप इसको initial place पे जाते हैं, और and then at the end of the game it will the character is here and you want to set it -21 and -23. So whenever you start your game, it will go to the initial page. So this is here, this is the initial page of your character. For example, again I am starting this, then it will go to its initial page. Okay, so after that there is one more thing, that is glitch 1 second to random position. 1 second के लिए वो कहाँ move कर जाएगा into a random position. Okay, लुक एट हियर, 1 सेकंड के अंदर उसने मोशन की है. कितने सेकंड में उसने ये मोशन की है? इन 1 सेकंड. अगर मैं कहूँ कितने सेकंड में उसने मोशन कंटिन्यू करनी है, कितने सेकंड इट हैव टू कंटिन्यू इट मोशन. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम इंक्रीजिंग इट टू 2 सेकंड, देन यू कैन सी it will move 2 seconds on a random position. Animation कब तक show करेगा? Between the 2 seconds on a random position. Is it clear to everyone how you can move it randomly on smooth animation? How we can show the smooth animation to any kind of random position? Then we have to use this block. Okay. So similarly for this one, it will show the direction of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so if I change it 90 to 90, then it will go to, I think, in the middle of the stage. Okay, so 90 degree 90 degree from x-axis to x-axis में ये कहाँ जाएगा? 90 पे, and y-axis में ये कहाँ जाएगा? 90. Is it clear to everyone? Now point in a direction, ये किस direction में point करना है? Now we have to see this कि उसने किस आपकी जो character है उसकी direction किस तरह होनी चाहिए. If we want to adjust it, then we can use the point in direction option. Okay, so we use 180 degree direction in the clockwise. So we can use the point in direction 180, and then we can change the direction from here minus 175. Okay, you can change the direction from here. आप इस तरह से भी move कर सकते हैं, and you can simply use this option. Okay, so this is how we can change the direction of our character. The next one is point toward the mouse pointer. This one, now we can see how this block will work. So if we click on it, so जहाँ पर आपका माउस पॉइंटर होगा, it will move to forward direction. ये उस तरफ आपकी डायरेक्शन शो कर देगा. ओके, सो मैंने क्या किया था, आपका जो माउस पॉइंटर था, it will in the upward direction. तो इसने कहाँ मूव किया है? On the direction of your mouse pointer. Okay, you can use it the mouse pointer. This on it will show only the mouse pointer option. So if now look at here, this hand is the mouse pointer. If I will click on this, then it will move toward the toward this mouse pointer. Okay, so this is the direction of the mouse pointer. There is a mouse pointer, so that's why it will move toward the mouse pointer. Okay, so after that there is option that change x by 10. आपका जो x axis है, this is your x axis, ये कितना move करेगा? ये 10 x की it will change the direction toward the x axis 10 steps. ठीक है, 10 step वो move करेगा toward the x axis. This is your x axis. If you click on right the minus 10, then it will move backward of the it will move backward in the direction of x-axis. This horizontal line is the x-axis, then it will move toward backward. Okay, so see, it will move backward in x-axis, and similarly for the y-axis. ठीक है, आपका जो y-axis अब ये move, if I select this one, then it will move toward y-axis. y-axis कहाँ है? This vertical line. ठीक है, it will move upward. If I write the +10, if then it will move backward if I write the -10. ठीक है, this is your y-axis. And after that, if on edge bound set y, you can set the y-axis. आप इतना y-axis this ये वाला you can set the y-axis with the help of set y. You can set the x-axis with the help of set x block. Okay, so now we will see how we can how this block will work. So this block will not work here because it will show if you are creating a game. अगर आपने कोई game create की है, and there is a rule, if the character touch the edges, this one is edges mean boundaries of the stage. अगर stage की उसने boundaries या edges को touch किया है, then your game will be ओवर. ठीक है, तो आपकी जो गेम है वो क्या हो जाएगी? एंड हो जाएगी. सो वी कैन यूज दिस ब्लॉक एट दैट टाइम. हम उस टाइम पर इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. वी वांट टू मेक दिस टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन कि अगर आपका योर कैरेक्टर टच द एजेस और बाउंड्रीज, देन द गेम विल ओवर. ओके सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज सेट रोटेशन स्टाइल। आपने जो अपनी रोटेशन है वो किस साइड पे करनी है, लेफ्ट टू राइट, डोंट रोटेट, ऑल अराउंड। ठीक है, लेफ्ट टू राइट करते हैं हम, फॉर एग्जांपल इट विल मूव रोटेट लेफ्ट टू राइट। कहाँ वो मूव किया उसने, लेफ्ट टू राइट। इज इट क्लियर? और नेक्स्ट अगर आप हम देखें, नेक्स्ट वन इज डोंट रोटेट, देन इट इफ आई क्लिक ऑन द गो ऑप्शन देन इट विल नॉट रोटेट। ठीक है, वो रोटेट नहीं करेगा। एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ आई क्लिक ऑन ऑल अराउंड देन इट विल मूव ऑल अराउंड। ओके, वो सारा मूव करेगा। So with the help of this, you can change the positions. You can set the X position. You can set the Y position, and you can set the direction of your cat character with the help of these blocks. Okay. So we in this lesson we. In the motion block we learn how we can move our character smoothly, how we can move our character randomly. ठीक है, how we can end our game if the character touches the edges, how we can turn into the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. If we want to make motion or movement, or we want to create the animation, then we have to use the motion block. And after that there is one more block, that is looks means the appearance of your character. आपके जो character है उसकी जो appearance है उसको आपने कैसे शो कराना है, then we have to use the looks option. ठीक है, if I for example I use the first one, say hello for 2 seconds. if I start my game and I want to show a prompt, मैंने start में क्या करवाना है, prompt show करवाना है anyone. for example I am writing kitty here. ठीक है, I want to show the kitty when for the 2 seconds on the stage whenever I start my game, so that I have to use this one. Okay, so now you can see for 2 seconds whenever I start my game it will show you a prompt that is kitty. Okay, so there is one, you can increase the time from here, for example 5 seconds. Then if we click on it, then it will show this prompt 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it will disappear from the stage. Okay, so we can use this one too. Say it will show you only the say prompt with at the end of the game, to the end of the game. ठीक है, end तक आपको शो कराएगा. there is no proper duration, यहाँ पर कोई duration नहीं है, that's why it will show you the text continuously. After that there is one more option, that is thinking. for example it will show you the thinking prompt. if you want to make it, then you can use this one. Okay, it will look at here, it will show you like the cat is thinking something. look at here. Okay, the difference between the think block and the say block you can see clearly. Okay, this is the say block and this one is the thinking block. So you can see the difference between the think and the say block. And similarly think without any type of duration you can use it. You can change the costume of your cat. So there is costume number 1 and costume number 2. this is the costume number 2 and this one is if you want to change the costume, this is the costume number 2 and you want into the costume number 1, then you can use switch costume to costume number 2. Now look at here, if I click on it, it will change its costume. ठीक है, अब इसने वो भागना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, अगेन इफ आई राइट इट, अगर मैं दोबारा से इसको करूँ एंड चेंज अगेन costume number 1, then you can see the difference between these two, costume 1 and costume 2. ठीक है, costume 1 and costume 2. ठीक है, so this is the basic difference. Okay, so that's how we can change the costume of our character. So we will continue the other option of this looks block in the next lesson. You have to practice all of this at your home. So you can easily understand how we work with the motion blocks and the looks blocks In this lesson we learn about the motion block, move, turn toward the clockwise or anti-clockwise, how we can change our character direction randomly, how we can fix its initialized place, and how we can make the continuous or a smooth animation with the help of this scratch option, scratch software. And after that, in the looks option we see the difference between the say and the think block, and we learn about how we can switch the costume of our character. So inshallah, in the next lesson we will see how we can change, how we can switch the backdrop of the stage, and after that how we can change the size, how we can set the size. So we will see it in detail in the next lesson. I hope you understand this concept and you will practice in the next lesson at your home. That's all for today's lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.